So who hates carbon steel? I recently seasoned these on the stovetop with 1 round in the oven. I have cooked eggs in them now. Twice in this one. Once in this one this morning. And it just peeled up the seasoning. I'm going to season these maybe 2 rounds in the oven using ghee. I hate carbon steel. That's a lot of ghee. Pour some of it out. Just gotta make sure you wipe it all out. It's going in the oven. Ow, ow, ow! It's hot. Jeez, that hurt. So these have been in the oven once this morning, coated with ghee. I'm going to season this with ghee several more times, and then we're going to try to cook eggs again. If I actually post this video, that means it worked. Because part of me freaking hates carbon steel. It's 2 coats of ghee. 3 rounds in the oven with ghee, and I just heated up about 1/8 of an inch in oil in the pans and just let them cook. Let's cook an egg in each, see if any more of the seasoning comes off, see if they stick, see if the ghee and that hot oil did something to the pan. Now I have to wipe these out, there's still some oil in there. Starting at 4 on the electric stove, let's put some ghee in. If I have to pour the ghee out, I will. Just make sure every bit of the pan is covered. Let's pour some out if we can. Let's get this over with. Here we go. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Oh. Freaking carbon steel. Am I the only one? I think it's sticking in the middle. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. If this comes right out, I'm going to be pretty happy. Oh. It's sliding. The question is, when the egg comes out, will it be completely... Can I wipe it out? So I don't know if we have any sticking going on yet. So far we're doing okay. I'll be pretty happy if this works, and we're gonna have to check the bottom of the egg, make sure it's clean. I'm going to take this egg out, okay? And we'll take a look at the pan. Let's wipe her down. That's hot. Alright, there's some nubbins right there. They came right up. That looks about the same. Maybe we did it. I can let her sit on the stove. That's one. We have to check the bottom of this egg. It's a pretty little egg. That's a pretty little egg. I'm going to flip it over. Well, that's a pretty bottom. That works for me. All right, here we go. One down, one to go. Let's try the big pan.